Alright, so today we're going to be taking off the ABS sensor on your wheel hub. Now you can do this with this on the car or off the car. We're replacing this whole big thing and we're just trying to save the ABS sensor. So we're taking it off the car anyway. So this works for us. One advantage of doing it when it's off the car is it might be a little bit easier to prevent the ABS sensor from snapping off. That is a common thing, it snaps off. You can see here's the end of it. We're going to do our best not to break this thing. Now the first step is going to be removing this bolt here. In almost all cars there'll be some sort of bolt that holds the sensor into place. This is off a 2006 Forester. For us it's a 12mm socket. And one other thing we did is we did try to clean around this edge. We took a brush around it. We also used a pick to kind of get at some of the rust that was between the plastic and the metal there. So after some prying and a little bit more cleaning, even using a punch to lightly tap just to get things started, we were able to pop this out no problem.